Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to learn how to clean and maintain the Flex 12 stat centrifuge. Cleaning and maintaining the Flex 12. Your Flex 12 requires no regular maintenance, and cleaning is easy. Start by locating the power switch on the back of your Flex 12. Turn it off. Next, unplug your Flex 12 from the wall socket. It is important that your Flex 12 stay unplugged for the entirety of the cleaning process. Next, make sure that you're wearing any appropriate personal protective equipment as determined by your lab. When cleaning the Flex 12, you should only use isopropyl alcohol or 10% 5500 ppm bleach solution. Use of any other material may void the warranty and damage the centrifuge. Do not submerge the centrifuge at any point during the cleaning process. Instead, apply your cleaning solvent to a clean cloth and wipe down the centrifuge and its components. Once you are done wiping down the centrifuge, you should immediately use a clean, dry cloth to wipe off your solvent again. Once you've finished cleaning, you can plug your centrifuge back into the wall and turn it on using the power switch at the back of the centrifuge. Your Flex 12 requires no regular maintenance, but you may wish to verify the centrifuge spin speed. To verify the spin speed, you'll need a phototachometer, like the one shown here. Your lab should have a validated phototachometer for you to use for this purpose. Next, with your centrifuge plugged in and turned on, start it running on whatever cycle you would like to test. Give it a minute in order for that centrifuge to reach its full speed. You'll know it's at full speed when that timer begins counting down. Next, use your phototachometer to point down through the centrifuge lid. You'll want the area that is clear where you can see right down to the rotor. The Flex 12 rotor has a phototachometer strip mounted to it, so you won't need to put an additional strip on before you use your phototachometer. With that phototachometer pointing down through the lid, you should immediately be able to get a reading. And that's all there is to cleaning and maintaining your Flex 12. If you have any other questions, you can contact Drucker customer service and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.